don't know if you guys can see this, but there is a nest down there with like 9 eggs in there. And we don't know when this bird laid her eggs. There are bunches of them, and the bird is big and scary. Uh, I'm all for animals and things, but she's eating up the bush, and I'm not essentially sure if this is a safe place for her nest. So if anyone can tell me how far along do these eggs look to you, and when about are they gonna hatch? Is there any risk of I've read some things about birds being pests and things, and this might create a nuisance within the household here. She's already scared me a couple of times when I came to open the door. She ran me off. Guess she thought I thought I saw her overhead. I'm sorry. Okay. So, in sum, big scary bird, please tell me if there's a way to move these eggs without creating more of a disturbance or harming the eggs or the bird. If anyone can help, let me know, because I'm about the most animal friendly person in my house, and I really don't want my mom to come in with some kind of craziness and do something horrible here. But let me know what to do about this, because honestly leaving them here isn't much of an option. Alright, thank you.